Hello students, today we'll be learning about phrase, that is from the chapter 5, grammar worksheet 5. You can see a phrase is a group of words that does not contain subject and a verb. That does not contain a subject and a verb. Means group of words, more than one word, group of words. And where in that group we can't see a subject and a verb. Okay, now subject you know, I think, and verb also you know. It does not express a complete thought. Does not express a complete thought means that group of words, that phrase will have no complete sense. Will have no complete sense. Okay, so we got here a phrase. A phrase is a group of words. Is a group of words that does not contain a subject and verb. More than one words where we can't see any subject and a verb. Does not express a complete sense. Okay, we have some examples below. You see heading, you see here, you can see the heading what's written. When we insert the phrases in a sentence, they make complete sense. Okay, for example, the dancing peacocks were a beautiful sight. The dancing peacocks in bold, a beautiful sight, also in bold. But in middle, the word were is different. So the dancing peacocks were a beautiful sight. If you can't understand, you see the heading. When we insert the phrase in a sentence, they make complete sense. The dancing peacocks, it's a phrase. A beautiful sight is a phrase. And separately it has no sense, no thought. If you say only the dancing peacocks, nothing. A beautiful sight, nothing. But in a sentence it has complete thought. And it became a sentence because of the word this, sorry for that. And it became a sentence because of this word. This word. What is it? Because of this word. Were. And it's a verb. It's a verb. It's a verb. Auxiliaries. Auxiliary verb. Okay. Next, the sun sets. The sun sets. By seeing the color in this sentence, different font. By seeing the different font in the sentence, I think you could guess this one. Which one will be? The phrase in the west. The sun sets in the west. This way. We'll get the types of phrases also. This one is different. This one is different. This one is different. The earth revolves around the sun, on top of the hill, on the board, this way. Okay. There are some types of phrases. First of all, we'll try to learn noun phrase. Okay. So, you see here, the definition has been given here. A noun phrase, a phrase that acts like a noun in the sentence, is called a noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of a noun as a head word and other related words, determiner modifiers, may come before or after the noun. May come before noun, after a noun. The interphrase serves as a noun in a sentence. That interphrase, that noun phrase, where you will see the noun and you may see determinants or modifiers, and that determinants or modifiers may come before or after that noun. The interphrase, that noun phrase, serves as a noun in a sentence. Relatives never drinks coffee. In place of one of our close relatives, what you can use here? You just suppose you use here he, she, something like that. So he is what? He is a subject. He never drinks coffee. It will be he never drinks coffee. In place of he, one of our close relatives. More than one word. It is being used here as subject. Now we'll be learning about prepositional phrase. Now we'll be learning about what? Prepositional phrase. So what is a preposition? You know, I think. Yes or no? You can see on the screen. I used here already. Can you see? Okay, think. Means prepositional phrase we'll learn. A phrase comprising a preposition and object of preposition. Near a wall, on a table, in the room, under a tree, at the door, and recently what I used on the screen. Prepositional phrase has a noun and a pronoun which is called the object of preposition, which is called object of preposition. The kids were laughing at the joker. At the joker. You take it. At the joker. We'll have to find out the prepositional first. This one, the preposition. At the joker. So, joker is what? A noun. Yes or no? Is a noun. So, it is being used here as an object. The kids were laughing at the joker. At whom? Joker. This way. He is sleeping on the carpet. He is sleeping. He is sleeping on the carpet. On preposition. The carpet. Carpet is what? Noun also, is object also. The teacher looked at the blackboard. At preposition. Blackboard. In preposition. This way. Okay. I hope you understood. So we'll move to the next one. Adjective phrase. I hope you know what an adjective is. So we'll learn today adjective phrase. A phrase that acts like an adjective. It should be like, okay? Like an adjective in a sentence. Like an adjective. You see the sentence, you will come to know. A kid on the roof is looking at the sky. Modifies noun, kid. The boy in the shop is my friend. Next, we'll continue in the next class.